Hey y'all, this is Charles back with another one. Today we're in Pebble Valley at Pebble Creek and we'll be cleaning up this dirty driveway and this two-story home. Let's get this party started. We'll start by wetting down the concrete first. Now that it's wet, you could really see the grime. It's time for some bubble action. There we go. Woo-hoo. All right, now that we got it all soaked up, the next step is to grab the surface cleaner. I think they might notice a difference. We've already cleaned this section too. And down there. It's all clean now, let's just wait for it to dry. Now that looks good. Time to wash the house. Don't forget to water the plants. Okay, let's start by soaping the front porch. All right, time to soap up the gutters. That was the final soap of the gutter. Now we'll get ready to rinse the gutters. Okay, now we got the water. We'll go ahead and rinse the gutters. Well folks, that's all. Another job in the books. Nice and clean. If you need your house washed, give us a call at 864-419-7360. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.